Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to add the glass effect to a picture, shape or word art in PowerPoint, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the procedure. Let us open PowerPoint and let us insert a picture here. I insert a picture using the insert tab and then selecting picture, but you can insert a word art or a clip or anything. Once you have this picture here, click on it and then go to the picture format tab. If the picture is not selected, then all of these options will be grayed out, so we have to click on it. After this, in the adjust column, click on artistic effects. You'll find the glass effect here. You can click on it and the picture would immediately catch the glass effect. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.